Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 7th May 2024. In this video, let us quickly analyze the Nifty 50 based on yesterday's price action. So this is a continuation video to the analysis, the detailed analysis we did on our Sunday's video, the last video. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. There you click on this community tab, then you can find this post. In this post I have provided a link that will take you to all the training videos. Just click the link. You will get into a playlist, Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. So here you have all the training videos. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1. All the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we'll provide an update in our channel. Now let's get into the Nifty analysis. See, we haven't seen much changes in Nifty 50 except in 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes a new high liquidity supply zone is created. So let us identify the new resistance level in this chart. Even before that, we have seen yesterday we got an entry from this 15 minutes high liquidity supply zone. See, this 15 minutes high liquidity supply zone is having confluence with 25 minutes high liquidity supply zone. See, this is the 25 minutes high liquidity supply zone. This 25 minutes high liquidity supply zone again having confluence with 125 minutes low priority high liquidity supply zone. That is again having confluence with the daily supply zone. So why I am showing you this? To let you know there is a strong order flow in this area. That's why we got an entry yesterday. Because 15 minutes is having more risk, obviously you need to fine tune with 5 minutes. So always you have to take your entry at fine tuned 5 minute zone. See, this 15 minute zone is having a drop, 3 base candles and again a drop. This is the fine tuned 5 minute zone. Let me draw this. And also let me give a label here. See, this is a fine-tuned 5 minute supply zone. See, yesterday price just entered into this fine-tuned supply zone and again came down. You should also notice it has created a new zone again, rally base drop. That is what happened from high liquidity zones most of the time. So the 15 minutes high liquidity supply zone again created a new fine-tuned 5 minute zone, this rally base drop. But this rally base drop and already what we fine-tuned 5 minute supply zone, they are all LOTL zones. Maybe you can draw a zone like this. Both are LOTL. Only your entry level and your risk management will be changing now. This is also a fine-tuned. This fine-tuned is having confluence with the fine-tuned 5 minute supply zone where we got the trade yesterday. Okay, except that there is only one change yesterday. Let me show you the 5 minutes supply demand zone chain. So this is the new 5 minute supply demand zone chain. The trend is in the 5 minutes trend is in sideways. But when you take an entry in the 5 minutes, always you look for the trend in 15 minutes, not in the 5 minutes. Entry is 5 minutes. So that's why we don't bother about this trend. What we are interested is on ITF trend, downtrend. So currently the trend is downtrend. That means until one of the 15 minute zones are violated, the trend won't be changed. What is the immediately available 15 minute supply zone here? Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So here we have a 15 minute zone here. We have again LOTL zone. We have a rally, 2 base candles and drop, but this is not a good leg out. The reason is this entire leg out is part of the base. Legout should come out of the base. Otherwise, it is not a valid one. So we can't consider this. But this is a valid one. Rally base drop. That way we can consider. And exactly here only we have a high liquidity 5-minute zone. See here. There is a new high liquidity supply zone is created in the 5 minutes time frame. Yesterday. See the fifth one. This is the one created yesterday. We have at 11:55. After that 5 ways candles yesterday. So let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. First let us draw and then come back to. So this is the one we have a rally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles and again a drop candle. Drop candle is at 6, 5, 12, 25. This is the 1, 12, 25 candle. So let us draw the zone. So this is a 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone. Now let's go back and look into the same structure from 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame. See here, we have a rally, we have a base and we have a drop. This is a 15-minute zone. And this 15-minute zone is having confluence with 5-minute zone, but this 5-minute zone is a high liquidity zone. If this zone is violated, 15 minutes trend will be changed to uptrend. Sorry, from downtrend to sideways it will change. At the time all the equations will change. As long as this zone is holding the prices, we can go for short trades. If this zone is violated, probably you cannot go for trades based on the trend, because you already learned trend is your friend. So at present 15 minutes time, 5 minutes trades are having dependency on 15 minutes trend. So if you want to go for 5 minutes trades, at present short trades are enabled because the trend is a downtrend at 15 minutes time frame. See here, this is a 5 minutes trend sideways, but 15 minutes trend is a downtrend. And this is a 75 minutes trend sideways. 75 minutes trend can be sideways or downtrend, but 15 minutes trend is a downtrend that enables the bearish trade setup. So currently this 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone is supporting bearish trade setup. In case prices are entering here, we can plan a trade. And the target is going to be the next 15-minute zone. Is there any valid 15-minute zone? So far, here we have a rally, base, rally. So this is the way you can plan a trade. If there are no changes in today's trading session, suppose if today in between a new 15-minute zone is created, all our statistics will change, your your risk rewards will be changed. Again, based on that you should plan. But at this point of time, based on this current scenario, what is the RR we have? Let us look into that. So we have a short position. Let us keep some stop buffer. Let us assume entry you are taking exactly at this zone. And this is going to be your target. This is the way you will be having 1:3.5 RR. Excellent. In case if this short trade works, remember whatever we are discussing is only for educational purpose. They are not our trades. You should plan. You should further analyze and you need to take the decisions. To minimize the risk, again you can change like this, but there is no guarantee prices will go up to here. They may go or may not go. That possibility is there. Risk management and all you have to take care from 5 minutes time frame by looking into the 5 minutes. Or if you want to ignore this candle, you can also draw a zone like this and you can plan your trade so that the risk will be minimized further and you get more RR, but there are higher chances you may miss the trade. That possibility is also there. At present, we are drawing wick to wick. But one point you have to understand, this is your new 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone, and here you have a 15 minutes target zone. This could be the trade setup. How many points will be there from here to here? From this distal line to this distal line, we have around 147 points move will be there. Definitely one of these zones has to be violated, but this is a normal 15 minutes demand zone so far, and this is a high liquidity 5 minute zone. This is a 15 minute zone. This is a 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone. This could be the initial range for today's session, but if one of these levels are broken, suppose if this high liquidity zone is broken, again from this fine-tuned 5 minute supply zone, because this entire area is supply area. We have a fine daily supply zone is there, 125, this is the entire supply zone. If trend continues down, because we never know, the trend may change today, who knows? Today bulls can be strong, who knows? If that is the case, this 15, because 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone is also 15 minute zone. That is what we have seen. This entire zone is also 15 minute zone. If this zone is violated, immediately trend will be changed, 15 minutes trend. Then all our trade setups will be changed. Now counter trend trade setups will be enabled once the trend is changed to the sideways. From sideways to again it will change to, suppose let us assume here the 15 minutes high liquidity zone is there. That is also violated. Now the trend will be changed to the uptrend. Then long trades will be enabled automatically during your intraday trades. This is what you have to understand, these trade setups. Suppose this 15 minute zone is violated. Anyway it is downtrend. Further our downtrend will be continued till the next 15 minute zone below this. Here you have a 25 minutes high liquidity demand zone is there, which is equivalent to 15 minute zone only. Now this 25 minutes high liquidity demand zone plays the role. If this is again violated, again downtrend will be continued. But the point we have to understand, now prices will be entering into demand area. We have a weekly demand zone, inside we have the 75 minutes and 15 minutes and daily zones, everything are available here. But at present, the daily demand zone we are having is, this is the one, daily low priority high liquidity demand zone. This is the range we have drawn in the Sunday's analysis video. This is the current range is going on. Within this range, price movements will be there. If one of these zones, because this is a daily demand zone, this is a daily supply zone, definitely prices will be moving between these zones for some time. But one of these zones has to be violated. At the time, entire analysis will be changed once again. But till that time, we can focus on this range, entire range for Nifty. And here you have a trade opportunity. If downtrend continues, please remember, if the downtrend continues, we have a trade opportunity. At present trend is downtrend. You can take a trade, but there is a chance this zone will be violated. That possibility is also there if the demand is strong. But we have a trade opportunity that you should not forget. How we will take trades in supply demand zone? With a risk, accepting the risk. If you cannot accept this much risk, you will change your risk to like this, or you may change your risk to like this. But you have to plan your trade. Risk, you cannot escape from accepting the risk. Some risk you have to accept. But when you have an opportunity, make use of that opportunity. If it is violated due to any reason, our analysis may change. That is all depending on today's how strong the bulls are going to be. But as long as the trend is there, we should respect the trend. One day the trend will be changed. The day when trend will be changed, that day our trades will fail. We have to accept that. Until that time, we have to enjoy whatever the opportunities it is giving. See, yesterday the trend was a downtrend. We got a trade in this zone. We took a trade, and the trade worked in favor of the trend. And we are happy with the trade too. Same way you have to feel even today also. If prices enters here, accept the trade. Due to any reason, if the demand is strong and if this zone is violated, obviously you have to exit with the stop loss. You are already preparing. Because the risk, if you accept the risk, then only you take the trade. Otherwise, you don't take the trade. So the point you have to understand, you have around 140 points possibility. Say, let us assume you are taking from here to here. You will be getting 90 points trade opportunity you will be having. This is proximal line to proximal, P2P range, proximal line to proximal. You have 94 points opportunity is there. If you want more, you can't accept this much risk, you minimize. You can plan a trade like this or like this. Now slightly your reward also will increase. Now it is going to be 100 points range. This is the way also you can plan your trade. Okay, this is about Nifty analysis based on yesterday's price action. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.